So hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again. This is the day 6. I'm trying to improve my English comprehension, especially for speaking. For today, we are talking about a very common topic. The topic it is education. Education is very important for our life because education teaches us many things. When we are fully educated, then we'll understand everything in our circumstance. No one can cheat us because we are knowledgeable person. By the way, today's education is very easy because because of internet. Hmm. What is internet? Internet is called some kind of net or some kind of social web. Here you can find any topic by searching. By the way, if you want to improve your um, education level, then internet is very convenient for everyone. Like me, I'm trying to improve my English speaking. English is a part of our education, and internet will help me in many ways. In past, we saw many differences in cities education system and countries education system, especially for benefits. In cities, most of the students find lots more benefit and reliable sources, but in countryside, most of the students can't find that kind of special benefits and reliable sources. But at present, the problem has gone because for the internet gives us many more facilities. That's why countries students generally understand their topic by browsing internet. For this reason, they can compare or beat um, cities student and achieve great mark in public university exam like Dhaka University, Chattogram, and many more. In this time, we see many countryside students has achieved great number in their public university exam. Like my friend, Mr. Milton, he admitted in Dhaka University couple of years ago. Internet helps frequently for his preparation. Meanwhile, at present, uh, internet changed everything. Browsing internet, student can easily learn every bit of question which appear in their mind. Like me, when I feel stuck in my question, then I easily search them in internet and I can easily find my question answer. That's why education is very easy for us, especially who live in countryside. By the way, guys, education is a backbone for a nation. If you are educated person, then you can easily earn lots of amount of money, and those are very useful for your families and yourself. After that, education person is very clever rather than illiterate person. He can easily handle every sort of problem in their life and communicate confidently with another. That's why education is very important for our life. If you are educated person, then no one can harm you, no one can cheat with us. So I think, in my point of view, if you want to be a perfect man, then study it hard and complete your graduation. When you complete your graduation, then you will understand the uh, real world aura, like how the world population are increasing, how the work continuously change. When you will understand everything, then you can easily handle this kind of thing. So, in my point of view, be educated. Then you can easily handle every bit of topic. That's for end, especially for this day. We will see you again in